Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Aoudi. I know I haven't been posting videos, but I'm here today to tell you why, and I hope that this would justify my absence. So I've been working on a companion website to this channel, a website where I would post lessons, tutorials, practical lab activities, quizzes, and other resources related to cybersecurity and specifically related to what I'm doing here on this channel. A lot of you have been posting comments, asking questions relating to these activities, asking for files to download and so on, and the channel will deliver just that. I hope the channel will add value to the website and the website would add value to the channel. So the website is not very creative in terms of name and even in design. It's sameraoudi.com. Okay, my name, yes. You can access it by clicking the link in the banner here or going directly to sameraoudi.com. I currently have two main menus, a courses menu and let's call it the other menu, everything else. So let's start with the courses. Here, the most relevant courses to the channel in terms of content is the ethical hacking course, the web security course, and as you can see, they're already accessible and available. They're still work in progress. That means they're not the final version, but they're readily available for you. And other courses are, of course, not available yet on the website because I'm developing the content for them. So in each course, let me start with the web security course because I want to highlight my approach. In each course, you will have a kind of a textbook so you can read. You will have the channel where you can watch and learn if that's what you prefer to do. And of course, you have some practical activities that you can do yourself. So it's kind of like learning by doing. Okay, so a textbook, you can just access it and read the different chapters. Okay, pretty straightforward. And of course, for each chapter, if there are lab activities, there would be a link directly to those activities. Whenever you're in a course, there would be a context menu for that course. And then the other menu in this case would be the other courses and of course the other material that I discussed. So let's go to the lessons homepage. And here you can see that you have some information about the courses, about the approach, and I just showed you the web application security course. Let me show you the ethical hacking course. So if you remember, there are three elements. There is the e-text, there is the channel and the videos, and of course there are the practical lab activities. In the web security course, I started with the e-text. In the ethical hacking course, based on demand, based on what I'm doing, whether it's in college, whether it's on the channel, I started with the practical lab activities. So as soon as you visit the course page, you will see just the lab activities, and you can see for each lab the relevant or related videos. The approach is very, very simple, and it's going to be the same for each activities. You will have, for each activity, you will have different tasks. So in this particular case, we have 4 tasks, and then you have a questions section. So let me go over the structure of a task, and this is very important. The way that I designed it is to have some information that would help you get started, but to do the actual lab activities, there are 2 modes available for you. An expert mode, if you know what you're doing, or if you've done this activity before and you're revisiting it for the second time, and a regular mode. Okay, so the regular mode is hidden by default and you have to click this button in order to access it. The reason is I don't want you to kind of like cheat and see the steps and the commands. But if you do click it, you will be able to see a step-by-step instruction with commands that would help you understand what you're doing. And of course, it will help you get the job done. So again, most people will start with the regular mode. The next time around they come here, I would expect them to try the expert mode, because it would be a way for you to test your skills, to test yourself. You know, just ask yourself, can I do this? Okay? And at the end of each lab activity, you will have some questions. You can complete these questions, and once you submit your answers, a PDF will be generated for your reference with your answers and the correct answers. And of course, you can do it as many times as you want. And as you notice, you don't need to sign up or log in or do any of that stuff. So I don't save your answers. That's why I chose to generate this PDF instead. Let's go back to the home page, because I want to go very quickly over some other sections on the website. So I have some resources related to careers in cybersecurity, certifications in cybersecurity, and I have two nice full web pages. Each I wanted to collate some resources that would be very relevant to your work. Cybersecurity tools, let's take a look at it very quickly. So in here, I will collate the tools, for example, tiger boxes, standalone applications, and so on and so forth. So I'm still working on it, but you already can see a lot of resources are available here. Now, a nice companion to this page is another page where we have the commands. It's a commands cheat sheet. Again, they can help you, perform certain tasks, and more specifically, if you're participating in a competition like a CTF or capture the flag competition, these two web pages would be very helpful. So you have your tools, of course, and you have your command cheat sheet available for you, and you can look at the task. You can search on this web page, do a Control F, and you will be able to see some tools and commands and so on. And of course, I did put some links to some videos where relevant. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you is the CTF platform. This is one of my most recent projects, so it's still really very, very early stages. It's going to be tested next week, inshallah. And basically, we will have a competition in the college where we would use this platform. And if the pilot is successful, we will try it with the Cyber Olympics as well. So you can sign up, and then when you sign in, you will be able to see the available competitions. And then for each competition, there will be some challenges available for you. So to help you now, let's really think about this platform. What's the goal of it? It would allow cybersecurity professionals, organizations, universities, etc., to create competitions, right? And for the cybersecurity professionals, you can participate in these competitions, with the solving challenges, and you will have a scoreboard and so on. Of course, to help you practice, I created a competition that as soon as you join the platform, you're already enrolled in this competition. So you will see the open practice competition where the challenges are available. Okay, now some of these challenges are already there. For example, take a look at these. It's all history, my favorite dessert, but some of them are just dummy challenges because it's still very early stages. Again, this is not a video about this platform, but it's just part of my website, and I do want your feedback on the website, on the platform, and I really look forward to hearing from you. It's very helpful. I need to know whether I'm on the right track. I need to know whether you need to see something else. Um, this is taking longer than I expected. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, you know what to do.